In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, upcycling has emerged as a powerful technique to breathe new life into items we would normally discard. Upcycling not only helps you save money, but it also reduces waste and conserves resources. Imagine turning an old wooden pallet into a stunning garden bench or transforming glass jars into charming candle holders. The first step in the upcycling journey is to look at your discarded items with a fresh perspective. Ask yourself, how can this be repurposed? Creativity is your greatest ally here. Pinterest and other platforms are brimming with inspiring ideas that can spark your imagination. Upcycling encourages resourcefulness. It challenges you to think outside the box. This practice can also enhance your home decor with unique, personalized pieces that tell a story. Beyond aesthetics, upcycling fosters a sense of accomplishment and promotes a sustainable lifestyle. Each piece you transform becomes a testament to your creativity and commitment to reducing waste. So why not take that forgotten item and give it a new purpose? You'll be amazed at what you can create and how much you can save while making a positive impact on the planet.